On today's video at Doll Designer Handbags, I will be showing you this Gucci belt. This is the Gucci web belt. It does have the two gold plated G's. It also does have a couple of scratches on the G's. It does have the brown leather on this side as well. It does have a couple of scratches on there as well. All around the belt, it has the fabric green and red signature Gucci look. You can adjust the belt to your sizing. It does have a couple of stains on the outside, on the inner side. The size on the belt is a size 38. You can find this item on our website at dollsdesignerhandbags.com with this on today. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.